Oh, there it is.
You know, damn, I ain't be going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Romo for clowns and all the balls. Oh, I ain't be going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo.
Alright, so just a quick update on what I've been doing, you know, oil and whatever else has been going on, working on the sleds. What's new? But anyways guys, what's going on? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I am back from my little break I took like a week off. Just been like really tired and like feeling down and stuff, especially with this eye. It's just been slowing me down. So plus I've been working on the sleds. I built a snowmobile track and stuff. Probably gonna post a video on my main channel about that. But today you guys, it's another video with that all-day vape kit company, Ink Daddy. I put this one on my prints. Focus. Focus. So yeah, it kind of looks sick. So they pretty well messaged me saying they're sending me another wide glass kit, but what is it? Rainbow edition instead of the silver, because I didn't know I had a rainbow. So today we're gonna be dropping this and seeing what it takes to break this glass. It's gonna suck because there's a lot of juice in here still, but my coil is burnt and I do use a dripper now, so I have one. So I'm gonna make a video on how to build on that in the next day or so. I'm gonna get back on grinding, baby. Probably start again with daily uploads next week. Just because it is the weekend now, I'm gonna go have some fun, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna see what it takes to break this, because I did do one with my big baby beast and I dropped it from like up here and it broke, but that was the only reason, like the only, wait, that's how it broke, is I dropped it from like probably like 15 feet, 10 feet, I don't know. So that's why it broke, but any other way it wouldn't break. So I'm gonna see what it takes exactly to break these all-day vape kits, because they got a little lip off the metal here, so it protects the glass. So hopefully, you know, it does do well. So I'm gonna set up the camera just kind of like, okay, good enough. But yeah, we're gonna see what it exactly takes. I know this glass is like just like almost a tad thicker than your ordinary glass, plus it seems like there's a lot more protective on it. So we're gonna see what it takes to break without an O-ring or whatever. I don't know what it's gonna take to break. First of all, I'm gonna set the camera up, probably on the ground somewhere. I don't have a filmer here, which kind of sucks. I've been waiting for someone to come over to help me film, but no one's been coming over, so it's kind of been hard. So I'm gonna set you guys on the floor right here. So it kind of sucks because I'm like taller than the frame, but we're gonna see exactly. I'm gonna drop it from waist height and we're gonna see if it cracks at all. So here we go. Okay, this is gonna fuck my vape. That didn't land on glass, but I'll drop it from waist height in front of the camera. So, what the hell? No cracks yet. Gonna drop it from about, I don't know, my face height now. And right now, it's just scratching up the bottom of my vape and denting it. It hasn't even hit glass. Like, it won't land. See how the glass doesn't sit. So pretty well. I'm gonna try to do something now. We're gonna go ahead, focus camera. Why? Why you do me like this? Focus. I'm gonna throw it up in the air and we'll see if it breaks. Still good. Still good. Try it again. Oh! Oh, there it is. So that just about touched the light. I'm 5'9". I got like another 3 feet to the light, so probably we'll just say like 10 feet-ish. And yeah, it completely shattered the glass. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. Oh. Smells good. So we did do some damage there. I'm gonna leave that. But if you guys want to pick up one of those glasses, you know, waist height, you could probably drop it all day from like 5-6 feet. You could probably get away with dropping it all day, all the time without breaking the glass, because I dropped it there like 3 times. I've dropped it plenty of times, like straight out of my pocket and stuff, and it's never broken. So where ordinary glass is broken on me just from waist height, which kind of sucks, but also you're holding 15 milliliters, or you're holding 13 mils of juice in that tank, so you would expect it not to hold out that well, but actually that surprised me. Like, that's 10 feet coming, throwing it up, not just dropping it, throwing it up and then coming back down. A lot of impact, especially on cement. Like that's a hard impact, and it did good. So I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 on durability, guys. That did really good, to be honest. I thought it was gonna break just on a drop from my waist. I don't know, I didn't really have a strong belief in it, but now I do believe in those. So I'm gonna make sure I'm always rocking with one of those. And always, like, if I had a rubber band around it, like a vape band on the glass, that thing would have never broke. No, I could guarantee you, I'd put 500 bucks on the table, that thing wouldn't even have broken if I had a rubber band on it, because those metal pieces that hang over pretty well block it off. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much. Short little video. Make sure you check out Ink Addy. They're linked in the description. Check them out, buy one of those all-day vape kits. They're sending me a package, so as soon as I get that package, we're gonna make some cool videos out of it. If there's any other videos you guys want to see me do, comment them down below. Sorry if this video was short and kind of slackish. I don't know, first day back on YouTube in a week. Yeah, I kind of gotta be sucked. Let's see if we can hit 1,600 subscribers by the time this video goes out, or like a couple hours after. Let's see, I'm so close, you guys. It's another goal. 1,600 subscribers, let's hit it by the end of this week. I want to hit 2,000 by the end of this month, so if you guys could help me, maybe a giveaway at 2K, if you guys can just help me get there. And thank you guys so much for the support lately. I've been reading all your comments, liking them, following whoever follows me on Twitter and Snapchat. I follow you guys all back. Everything's linked in the description. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day. Peace out.